Good morning everybody. I've got Ryan's BMW 1000RR here, absolutely lovely machine, and we're going to detail it. I'm going to start off by removing all the carbon fibre bits that are bolted on. Some of them are stuck on, so I won't be removing them. I'll be undoing bolts, and if they don't come off then I'm sharply pulling them off. But I'm going to start off by removing the wheel covers, and like I say, the rear lugger, and you know, all the parts that can come off easily. I'll remove them, and then I can polish them separately and ceramic coat them easier. And like I say, it's in good nick, although the flies have caused quite a bit of damage to the frontal area. I'll get off what I can of that. I'm going to remove the mirrors to try and clean them properly. So initially I'll just be removing the carbon first, and then I'll give it a thorough wash, snow foam, and I'll film as much of it as I can. Ryan's asked for a film and give me permission to share it, so probably find it on YouTube at some point. But absolutely lovely looking machine. So I'm going to just get on and start removing some of the bits, and I'll show you it again when I get them off. So thanks for watching. You get the general idea of what I'm doing. I'm going around all the gaps and where the flies have hit, just try and break them down a bit before I rinse it off and then snow foam it again. So I'll show you a bit more in a bit. Well, I've got 90% of the bike washed. I've got to get in with my hands on the wheels. Get the spokes nice. I'm hoping my mini polisher will get in around the brake disc. I don't want to take the wheels out particularly, but for a start I'm going to try, and I don't know if you can see this, there's some marks in the tank there, so just to give me some encouragement I want to have a go at polishing that and see whether that comes out. So we'll get the polisher on the go, show you in a minute. Turns out most these marks that are in here are glue, so I'm going to get some glue remover on it now, remove them and then carry on polishing. It's coming up nice though, you can see the gloss levels coming up, but I'll have to get this, there's quite a bit of glue on there, so I'll do that now. Now this is a coarse paste and I'll go over it again with a fine paste, but as you can see gloss levels are going up. The tank has come up absolutely lovely. There is one tiny stone chip which I can't do anything with, but we've got the colour coming through, as you can see. Looking lovely. All we've got to do is get the rest like it. I'll show you a bit more when I get round the bike. just put it on air. Good morning everybody, it's Thursday, and as you can see, or hopefully you can see, let's just have a look over here. These are the parts that I have taken off the bike and polished, ready for ceramic there. Also, I suppose I should show the seat looks a lot cleaner, and that's ready to have some sealer put on it. Managed to polish the headlight up somewhat, but there's a cover going to go back on that. All the carbons come up really nice, really pleased with it. It took quite a lot of polishing to get it up, but part and parcel of the job. This morning I've just got to finish this front end and then prep it ready for ceramic, which means I've got to go over all the panels with panel wipe. All the wheels are now squeaky clean, as you can see, ready for ceramic coating. I'm going to try and get it ceramic this afternoon, so I better get on. But overall, I'd say that looks pretty good. I'd be happy if it was mine. The dead flies of staining the anodizing on the master cylinder and the brake and throttle levers and whatnot, but I've got as much off as I can. Same with the front shocks, but as you can see, I'm just about to start polishing this front bit, get that done, and start wiping it down. So that'll do for this morning. But let's get in closer to the carbon, just show you how that's all come up. Really nice, a lot of work. There you go. Hope Ryan's going to be happy. I don't see any reason why not. See you soon.
a mirror, that is.
Right, the S1000's finished. I'll just give you a walk round of it. Been a lot of work getting the carbon up, but it looks beautiful.